Good morning.
What's poppin', Port Jeff?
Welcome to the Royals Network Morning Show. I'm Hunter Volpe.
And I'm Ricardo Ledesma.
Today is Thursday, October 25th, 2018. It's a D-Day. Here's Ricardo with some information on a walk in memory of Dylan Berger.
Once again, we will be walking in memory of Dylan Berger. The walk will take place on Sunday, October 28, 2018 at Jones Beach. If you are interested in being part of this event, please pick up a permission slip in the high school main office. If you cannot participate in the walk, there are other ways to help. Your donations will help those affected directly or indirectly.
Wow, that sounds like a great way to awareness for those affected by suicide. Here's Brendan Fight interviewing Miss Austin about school lunches and renovations to the cafeteria.
Good morning, everybody. Today I'm here with Miss Austin, and I will be talking to her about her plans for the cafeteria. What's your main goal for the cafeteria?
The main goal for us is to make the food more palatable for the students, and also changing the cafeteria around a little bit so it doesn't look so sterile and like a cafeteria, little different furniture. Maybe some higher seating, low seats, maybe a couple couches.
And what foods would you want to add?
I would want to add more grab-and-go stuff because a lot of our kids don't have lunches. So if they could walk up and grab like a turkey wrap or salads or something that's already prepared and they can take off with that. I think we visited another school district is we saw that they had like a burrito bar, they had a taco bar, they had salads that you could order and have made right there.
With these additions to the cafeteria, do you think more students will buy lunch?
I think a lot more students would buy lunch. At back to school night, some of the parents were saying that they wished we had better selections so that they didn't spend so much time making lunches. So I think that that's something that would benefit not only the students, but it would free up some time for parents too.
Do you think it's important for students to have a lunch period?
I do. I think it's really important that kids have a break during the day so that they can just kind of either chill, go to the library with their friends, just have a break. To go from 7:30 to 2:30 straight with no breaks, that's a long day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Brendan. Miss Austin, we are all super excited to see what renovations are made to the cafeteria.
Thanks for watching.